Children, we were learning in our previous session regarding the caste discrimination and struggle for equality, where we have seen the lifestyle or how the people fought for their equality in the examples of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, a station story, and Om Prakash Valmiki, how he was discriminated in the school from studying. Today, we shall learn about one such important leader even in the Telangana region also, by name called as Battula Venkatrao. He was, we will run about B.S. Venkatrao. He is called as B.S. Venkatrao. So he is one of the prominent leaders among the Telangana region who fought for the equality for all the caste. So he was popularly known as Rao Sahib, and his father Battula Sayana, his father, his name is Battula Venkatrao. B.S. Venkatrao we call him as. He is called as Battula Venkatrao or B.S. Venkatrao, and he was born in Gashmandi, Hyderabad में एक एरिया है गशमंडी, उसमें उधर पैदा हुआ था. ही वॉज पॉपुलरली नोन एज राव साहब, उसको सभी लोग राव साहब बोल के पुकारते थे. एंड उसका फादर जो है सायना, ही इज़ ए डोमेस्टिक सर्वेंट इन द यूरोपियंस हाउस. सो वेंकटराव स्टडीड अप टू 9th class and was well versed in English. He is also very good at English and Urdu, Persian and Marathi apart from Telugu. So being a Telugu person, he can speak fluently Telugu as well as Persian, Marathi and even English. So he worked as a sculptor in Pune. Sculptor मालूम नहीं नी, जो वो बनाते हैं, मूर्तियाँ बनाते हैं, देखो. So he worked as a sculptor in Pune before he joined in Public Works Department of Nizam. So he rose to a very high position in the government of the Nizam prior to the independence. हमारे को आज़ादी से पहले निज़ाम के संस्थान में इसको बहुत अच्छी पोजीशन मिला था. Having experienced untouchability, इसको भी untouchability experience हुआ, and its impact on the suppressed classes. Suppressed classes means the castes which are suppressed by these higher caste people. He was determined to eradicate the untouchability from the country. So the Adi Dravida Sangam was formed by him with this objective in 1922 with the assistance of people like M. Govindarajulu and M. Venkat Swami. Its main objective is included abolition of the Devadasi system. एक प्रैक्टिस था इधर तेलंगाना में, देवदासी सिस्टम बोल के एक प्रैक्टिस था. ये देवदासी सिस्टम क्या है मालूम? देवदासी सिस्टम बोले तो भगवान के लिए एक बच्ची को छोड़ देना, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज देवदासी सिस्टम. उसको शादी और कुछ भी नहीं करती, ओके, उसको मंदिर में छोड़ देते. दैट सिस्टम इज कॉल्ड एज देवदासी सिस्टम था. Okay, she is considered as a servant to the god, and she lives her entire life as a what we call unmarried woman. So this Devadasi system was in practice. So they had fought bringing up unity among the Dalit people. Dalit, we have already learnt about the word called as Dalit. Dalit means the lower caste people. SCs are called as Dalits. SCs are called as Dalit, lower caste people. So he tried a lot to bring unity among these Dalit people. Later they formed another Sangam called as Adi Hindu Mahasabha in April 1927. First was the Adi Dravida Sangam. Adi bole to Purana. Adi Dravida Sangam was formed with the help of Govindarajulu and M. Venkat Swami. Later in 1927 they formed Adi Hindu Sabha. Adi Hindu Sabha. So these were the two organizations which were formed by the B.S. Venkatrao to fight against the discrimination being practiced there, especially untouchability. So a decade later, that means 10 years after, decade means how many years? 10 years. 10 years after, an influential discussion at Pune, they formed Youth League of Ambedkarites. Ambedkar followers had formed into Ambedkar followers are called as Ambedkarites. So they formed with the objective of getting educated the Dalit youth to propagate awareness about the exploitation based on the caste system, how the lower caste people are being exploited. Exploited means looting, how they are being looted, their labor is being looted and their rights are being looted. This was later named as the Hyderabad State Depressed Classes Association. The same association league was named as a Hyderabad State Depressed Class Association. Hyderabad separate state था निज़ाम के ज़माने में. The leaders of this organization went from place to place and organized meetings to educate the lower caste people among the people to make them aware of caste oppression the movements taking place in the country for the emancipation of the Dalit caste and the need to recognize and define themselves and in order to defend themselves. So much about the B.S. Venkatrao we'll see in the next class, children. But don't forget that B.S. Venkatrao has played very important role in Telangana region for the emancipation of the Dalits. Thank you, children.